over here you can see that I have an ongoing meeting and I'm actually sharing a slide right here. So what you can also do is you can record out meetings for future reference. So if there's some people that were not able to attend the meeting, then they will easily be able to view the recorded version of the meeting. So to do that, you need to go around onto more right here, and over here, you'll be able to see that start recording is an option. So once you go around and start recording the meeting, then it says starting recording and transcription, meaning it hasn't started recording, but it is preparing to record out the meeting right here. So you will know when the meeting is recorded when you actually go around and see that it's starting the recording. So here it says that recording and transcription has been started now, just like this. And it'll let everyone know that they're being recorded and transcribed, because that is actually very, very important by law as well. So everyone will be notified that they are being recorded right here, and you can go around and then have the meeting as usual. So the recording is still there, and then if you want to stop recording, then you can go to more anytime right here. And here you can see that stop recording is an option, and you can also just stop transcribing if you just want to stop transcribing. So I'm going to go around and click on stop recording right here, and it says stop recording and transcribing. Are you sure that you want to stop? So I'm just going to go around and say stop. And what happens is that the recording will be there right here. So here you can see that if you change your mind right here, then you can go around, start the transcribing anytime you want. So the record is there, so you can go around and let's say I'm going to just stop presenting right here, and now I'm going to leave the meeting as well. So once I do that, this group is where the recording was. So over here it says the meeting ended right here, and now what happens is that the recording will be available over here in a while right here. So we have recorded the meeting, and now it'll be available here in a while. So over here, you can go around onto the replies, and here you can see that this is the recording right here. So the recording is go around, and you can see that it has stopped right here, and it's saving the recording right here, as you can see. So you can see that this is the recording, and it actually goes around, and once you access it, then you will be logged in onto the SharePoint, as you can see right here. So it's actually going around and accessing the file, and you can view the recording right here, just like this. So over here, you can see that this is what you have. Everything is here. All the recorded version is here. So you can go around and access the recording just like this. So that is how you can record out meetings inside of Microsoft Teams. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.